Have you got any friends for the school holidays?
Well, I got a few pets. My going to help my uncle shop because my aunt is having a baby in a few weeks.
What will you do then?
My going to visit some relatives. I was up to an actually my looking forward to relaxing a bit. What about you? What are you doing during your holiday?
I can no, I planning to saving with my game in San เนื้อไอเฮเวนบินเดซินไอวัสอิทไฟมารีสตูเดนนิดซัมเฮลอาบราวเดเฮาส์
How long will you stay there?
My brother and I are in I going there for 2 months.
It's a pity I thought we could see each other over the holiday and have some fun together.
That would be yet not to worry. We can get through. เอาเฮ้ยบันทึก
เอา
ไหมอ่ะ
คนจะเรียกผมเรียกว่า